Hi, my name is Kha Nguyen, and this video will be an overview of the content evaluation for Present. Present is a campus engagement platform for universities and colleges that provide opportunities for students to be successful in learning, involving with community, and engaging with extracurricular activities. The main focus here is to assess how content on the website helps students to find relevant information and assess instructions on using the platforms. Target audience is primarily college students, but of course also taking professors, college staff into consideration to understand users' needs and if business goal aligns with these needs. In an attempt to evaluate the content, I conducted competitive analysis to see how other competitors are doing, highlight their strengths and weaknesses, as well as to see how the site can differentiate with existing content. I also incorporate quantitative inventory with qualitative audit to assess the existing content landscape, site structure, and from that to be able to see where Present content strategy is standing and to come up with recommendations. Here's the website. So the goal of the evaluation is first to get an overview of business mission and what type of content the site is trying to provide user with, then to identify and address any current content issues or gaps, to determine how content can be presented in the most effective way so that students or professor can easily find the right information. Another important factor while evaluate Present is to make sure the site structure and the overall tone are consistent throughout and the site uses the language that's easy for students to absorb. Ultimately, the goal is to collect insight to inform and propose recommendations to improve content quality and increase website usefulness for users. When looking at the other competitors out there, I found these sites to offer significantly more governance in visual elements. They both have pretty clear style guide and the content chunks are organized in a way that's easy for users to understand and can scan through. After doing quantitative inventory and qualitative audit, here are several issues uncovered based on content quality checklists. There are only a few places that provide shareable social media links to allow users to personalize their response with hashtag or links, and that Present may miss out opportunity to connect with students. Though Present does have a good amount of call to actions, there's a few unclickable buttons and broken links. Some links overlap one another, so it would be difficult for users to navigate around and know where they are on the site. Inconsistent title from page to another seems to be one of the biggest issues of Present. The site does not have a cohesive style guide. Most of the pages look plain and uninteresting. There are duplicate and repetitive information. For example, there are two links in one page that lead to the same destination, which cause confusions. And finally, Present severely lacks appealing visual elements like photos. There are multiple pages that use the exact same photos. The entire website only has one video in one of the blocks. With these issues found throughout the process, the evaluation ranks findability to pose a very high rank of severity, and shareability has minor issues that can be easier to fix. In order to address the issue, here are my recommendations. Using conversational voice and tone to speak the user language and make sure the site meets user reading level. As there are many duplicate and repetitive information, there's a need to standardize content chunks to make them more readable, creating an SEO keyword list to help drive traffic and increase visibility of the website so that the site will stand out among competitors. The Present should integrate more visual elements to make content more interesting to read and capture student attention. And finally, reduce the amount of text if needed to support findability and actionability. Users will be able to scan information faster. Update information architecture and simplify site structure to improve navigation experience, creating a clear site guide for readability and support brand messaging strategy. Make sure the call to actions lead user to relevant information or helps user achieve meaningful things, and make shareable links and conversational channels more visible to increase user interaction with the site. In order to really engage students with the site, establishing a team that is in charge of content governance workflow, development, and renewal is necessary to keep content always fresh and up to date. Determine governance model that reflect the business strategy. Remove any broken dead link to prevent user from leaving the site because of frustration, and implement an editorial calendar to keep track and produce all content channels like blogs, social medias, email, newsletter, and then establish content quality checklists to keep everything in check. These changes are needed so that Present can utilize its rich and potential content to increase user engagement. If the content of the site is interesting enough, it can motivate users to make an action or to share the site with others. Great content with brand personality will not only help users achieve goals, but also connect with users on emotional level. Present does have great amount of excellent content, but the foundation has many issues. These need to be addressed by organizing and structuring existing content to deliver better user experience, boost the site's traffic, as well as keep business goals aligned with user needs. Thank you.